Good morning everyone. Namaste. Today's date 8 August 2021. Day Sunday. Today's Panchang. Today is Ashad Amwasya. Darsha Amwasya. In history, 8 August is very important. On the August of 8, 1947, the Quit India movement, also known as the August movement, was launched at the Bombay session of all the Indian Congress community and Mahatma Gandhi. The August movement was very precious moment in Indian history because Mahatma Gandhi on 8th August 1942 during World War II demanding an end to British rule. In August 1942, Gandhiji started the Quit India movement and decided to launch a mass civil disobedience movement, do or die, करेंगे या मरेंगे, करा नाहीतर मरा, भारत छोडो, इंग्रजांनो चालते व्हा, चले जाओ, डू और डाय, call the force the British to leave India. In that moment, so many slogans were given by so many Indian freedom fighters against British rule. Rallies and morning rallies, march are going on. British rule trying to stop these rallies and these morchas, but no one want to stop because all Indian peoples want full Swaraj, Sampurna Swatantrya from British rule. In that movement, Nandagiri, that is Nandurbar, a city surrounded by four mountains and situated on the banks of river Patalaganga, is well known in history as a town of habited by mostly businessmen. A businessman, Bala Shankar Inamdar, dwelt in Nandurbar. He was dealer in edible oil. He was sad as he had no son. He remarried in the hope of son. A girl child was born to him. Her name was Savita. Mr. Pushpendra and Savita got married in 1924. Shirish Kumar was born to this couple in 20th December 1926. The environment in Nandurbar was changed with the freedom struggle movement, as was the case with other towns and cities across the country. As a part of the freedom struggle, the people used to organize morning rallies with the national flag and processions carrying torches. In these processions, people used to shout slogans filled with nationalistic fervor. Mehta family in the Nandurbar also participated in such activities. At that time, Shirish Kumar was attending school. He was greatly influenced by Mahatma Gandhi and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. During that period, police would arrest anyone shouting slogans such as Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, and Bharat Mata Ki Jai, Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Mahatma Gandhi gave a clarion call against British. चले जाओ, go away, छोडो भारत, इंग्रजांनो भारतातून निघून जा. On 9th August 1942, thereafter morning rallies were organized in various villages. Warnings were issued to British to quit India. Shirish Kumar, studying in 8th standard, participated in the morning rally held on 9th September 1942. His mother tongue was Gujarati. He started shouting slogans in Gujarati in the morning rally. Will not bow down, will not bow down, flag of Bharat. This rally was moving through the city and people were shouting the slogan of Bharat Mata Ki Jai, Vande Mataram. The procession was stopped by the policeman in the middle of the city. Shirish Kumar was carrying the national flag. Police ordered all the participants to disperse and end the rally. The children in the rally disagreed the order and continued to shout slogans Bharat Mata Ki Jai, Vande Mataram. Finally, the police started firing. One police officer pointed his gun in the direction of the girls participating in the rally. At that time, a brave boy said courageously, "If you want to fire, then shoot at me." What he says? Shirish Kumar said, "If you want to fire, then shoot at me." That brave boy was Shirish Kumar Mehta. The forces officer fired 3 bullets at him, which beside Shirish Kumar chest, and he collapsed then and there, but he didn't give national flag. Along with him, his 4 colleagues, Laldas Shah, Dhansuklal Vani, Shashidhar Ketkar and Ghanasham Das Shah were also killed in the police firing. But this little brave freedom fighter continuously saying Vande Mataram, Bharat Mata Ki Jai. We are salute this great hero of Indian freedom fighting movement. Dear student, this is the story of brave freedom fighter Shirish Kumar from Nandurbar. We, the people of India, always remember his devotion to the India and courage and freedom fighter and his precious words and his devotion to the country. Shirish Kumar, we salute you. Vande Mataram, Bharat Mata Ki Jai. These Veer Jawans, Shaheed peoples, great Indian freedom fighters, because of their devotion, love, respect, we get this freedom. So respect them and value the freedom and try to follow all the values of Indian culture, Indian country, and the constitutional values of India. And always remember the freedom fighters' courage, devotion to our country, and try to give your devotion to our country and became a great Indian person. Shirish Kumar Mehta, Dhansuklal Govardhan Das, Shashidhar Ketkar, Ghansham Gulab Das, Lal Das, we all salute you, the great people, and the Bal Shahid Shirish Kumar Mehta. You give your devotion, give your great devotion to India. So we salute and remember your devotion for India. Vande Mataram. Jai Hind. Bharat Mataram. माता की जय, वंदे मातरम, जय हिंद।